We're at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show aboard a Beneteau Grand Trawler 62, looking at this big MAN engine. That's a German MAN. See the brand name right there. Common rail. It's an inline. It's not a V-block. There's your exhaust pipe on a shock absorber. On a shock absorber, red fire extinguisher in the back. That's the chilled water system. It's got 2 chillers. There's your control panel, the computer for the MAN. Now we've got a Masse generator up high where it's easy to access for the dipstick, to check the dipstick for the oil. And down here is a nice surprise, a gyro stabilizer. So this is the Quick Gyro X30. Not familiar with that model. You can see the fuel filter for the generator there, the water strainer for the generator, the muffler for the generator, and then on the starboard we've got another control panel for the MAN diesel. This is a water lift muffler, part 2. We call them hush mufflers. There's the standard lift muffler down there. The hush muffler up here, so it's real quiet going out the side of the boat. And we've got some more electronic battery chargers and instrumentation. And in the back we've got the big strainer for the MAN by Vitus. That's a Dutch company, Vitus. And we've got some extra bumpers in here just for the boat show, so they were getting them out of the way. So it looks like I've got a camera looking at me, so maybe somebody up on the fly bridge or the upper helm's looking at me down here taking videos. Pretty impressive, a lot of space, very clean engine room. Beneteau Grand Trawler 62.